Hello everyone, my name is John from AMBOHR, your reliable supplier of technical products. We provide systematic solutions and comprehensive protection. The product we have today is the Car Air Purifier, CAP-501. This product has a stylish design, bringing a sense of uniqueness to your car's interior. It removes smoke and dust. It is a plug-and-play product. It reduces unpleasant odors, relieves car sickness, and comes with a built-in filter. The product comes in two colors, black with a green interface and white with a pink interface. Let's take a look at this product. Product packaging contains one instruction manual, the product itself, and a box that contains a mounting strap and a power cable. The product's weight is 552 grams and it gives out a negative ion output of 8 million pCs per cubic centimeter. The product has one button operation for turning it on and switching button modes. It can be placed lying flat or mounted at the back of the seat's headrest. It also has auto protect to prevent from damage during use. Let's look at the inside of this product. To open it, we slide the cover to the left, and inside we find a multi-layer filter and a fan. Under the product, we have a power inlet. For strapping the product, we have two holes on each side of the product ends. Let's take a look at how to strap the product. We simply run the strap cable through one end, out the other, then around the headrest of your car seat, and we strap it in safely using the strap joint. Let's test this product. As you can see, when turned on, the product has a green indication light on the first mode. The product only has two modes, which can be switched by pressing the white button on the right side. The product also contains one filter, which has a lifespan of 480 hours. It has a filter replacement reminder which automatically informs you when the filter should be replaced. It has smart operation, which means it automatically starts on the previous saved setting when the car ignition is on. For product information, customization, purchasing, and more, please visit our website okayozone.com or ambohr.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, you make requests, we do the rest.